Nggak tahu belum sengaur ya.
Kamu dulu ya orang sudah.
Bentar cemar market.
First time in first attempt.
Baik seni lah ya.
So as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, joint team under the supervision of SDO Manish Kumar, members from Pollution Control Board and Police Department were given directions to undertake the demolition of all unauthorized coke plants in the district. So in total there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11, we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained the necessary permissions for regularization. And since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Jaintia Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants. And for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total, all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.